Today we're featuring a 2013 Dodge Dart SXT. It's got 65,000 miles on it. It's just been marked down to $9,500. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's header orange clear coat in color. Go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Make our way down the driver's side. Everything looks good there. It does have the dual exhaust. Passenger side of the vehicle looks really good. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Black on black door panels, power locks, power windows, black cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. Keyless entry with remote start. Passenger seat looks good too. It is an automatic. Got your climate controls there. AM FM CD player there. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Bluetooth with steering wheel audio controls. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at your mileage. Okay, it's got 65,946 miles on it. Go ahead and check out your AM FM CD player. Alright, we've had the air conditioner blowing now for about 10 minutes. Everything blowing nice and cold there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Pop the trunk. Back seat cloth looks good. Got your cup holders there. The mini little storage area. All right, and this is a cool feature too. You can also access the trunk, all right, through the back seat there. Lift that up. All right, as you can see, the cloth's in good shape. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Everything laid out really nice. Take a look at your trunk space. Everything clean back here. Step to the side so you can see the depth there, and you can see that door that I opened up at the back seat there to access the trunk. All right, it comes through right there. Plenty of storage there. One more thing I want to show you. My front passenger seat. All right, seat comes up. Makes a nice little storage area there. All right, cool little feature that Dodge does. But everything else looks really good in this vehicle. 65,000 miles, man. This thing's really well taken care of. Check out your wheels and tires. Let's see, we have 17-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires. All right, once again, it's a 2013 Dodge Dart SXT. All right, it's clean Carfax, one owner, 65,000 miles on it. They're asking $9,500 for it. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.